Hey guys, what's up? Myself, C. Abhishek Bansal. I am from Mumbai and I take law and audit for inter and final people. So I hope you guys are doing amazing. People who have appeared November 23 and people who will be appearing May 24. People who have appeared November 23, all the best. I wish you guys clear with amazing marks and you come to CA final where I'll be teaching you audit. People who are appearing for May 24 for the first time, or people who have given only one group, that is group 2 in November 23 and will be appearing for group 1 in May 24, or in case if your paper did not go well and you're planning to appear for May 24. So there are changes in the syllabus. You must have heard about the new scheme. There are changes in the syllabus. So this video is for all those people who will be appearing in May 24, either for the first time like a fresher May 24 student, or you appeared November 23 for group 2. Group 1 will be doing it in May 24. Number 3 category is people who have given the exam but they are unsure, the paper did not go well, you missed the group in between, you have skipped some papers in group, so you wish to appear for May 24, and others who will be watching after the results, that in case the results goes negative, 99% it should not be, it should be positive, you will clear, but 1% you also know it's a C exam, it's a you can say hard work plus smart work plus luck. So by any chance if it did not get cleared, so you have to appear for May 24. So at that time you will be having a lot of confusion about the syllabus. So this video is specifically for the syllabus change. Now this is our book. If I talk about the old scheme and the new scheme, okay, everything is same. Everything, all means sub, everything is same except few content. Now when you talk about Companies Act, guys, Companies Act mein first chapter was preliminary, it is exactly same. Then you had incorporation of a company chapter, it is exactly same. Now in our book we have drafted Mahua Hua separately, but in module incorporation is a part of Mahua Hua is a part of incorporation only. This is also same. Membership is also, you'll find in incorporation, but I draft a separate chapter in my book, it is exactly same. Prospectus was there in old scheme, new scheme also same. Shares old scheme, new scheme same. Deposits same. Charges same. Management administration same. Dividend same. Accounts of companies same. Auditors same. So this means your majority of the Companies Act is exactly same, which was there in the old scheme. Now what is added? The first chapter which is added is Companies Incorporated Outside India. Companies Incorporated Outside India. This is the first chapter which is added. In simple words, it is called as foreign company. Now it's not a new chapter, it was there in CA final. So from CA final they have brought it to CA Inter. This is the first chapter which is added, a fresh new chapter. So for May 24, it's gonna be an important chapter because first time it is coming. Now when you talk about other laws, general clauses same. Interpretation of statutes same. No change, nothing added. Second chapter which is added is Foreign Exchange Management Act. This is the second chapter which is added, fresh new chapter. Third which is added is Limited Liability Partnership Act. This is the third chapter which is added. Now syllabus is over, finish. Everything is same, everything is same. Only 3 new chapters are added. What are the 3 new chapters? Companies Incorporated Outside India, Foreign Exchange Management Act and LLP Act. Only these 3 are newly specifically added for CA Inter Law May 24, new scheme May 24 and onwards attempt. May 24 and onwards attempt. Sir, Negotiable Act and Indian Contract Act is deleted. Now Negotiable and Indian Contract Act will not be applicable. Understood what is added, what is changed, what is deleted? So 2 chapters gone, 3 chapters added. Nego and Contract gone. Companies Incorporated Outside India, sorry, FEMA and LLP Act is added. Only this is the simple change. Now, so few people would be confused, do we need classes? See, it all depends upon your notes, your study pattern, your study period, how well you had understood law previously. So I am talking to all those people who have studied law previously and appearing for May 24 as a repetitive attempt. in the new scheme. So in case if you have done law very well, so ideally I would advise you no class is needed. But yes, call for the new module from ICI, because what ICI have done this time, in module they have given lot of illustration in between, which was missing in the previous module. See, once the chapter gets over, you will find, test yourself. I'll show you one chapter of module. Like this, illustration. So this is a new module, management and administration, 7.11 page, illustration. So like these illustrations they have given. Anyways, test yourself is there. So test your knowledge is there. In test your knowledge, they have also added MCQs. So solving module will become very important for you guys. Solving module will become very important. So ideally, if you have done law pretty much well, so you don't need classes, just do these 3 chapters from YouTube or from self-study module, okay, or through my video, and do solve module for all the chapters. If you have no time to read the content, just solve illustration in between, go as per the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, solve the MCQs and do this descriptive question from behind. Because May 24 is the first attempt for the new syllabus, ICI will be not going beyond module. So module is your Bhagavad Gita, Bible, Quran. Stick to the module thoroughly. Now, people who need classes, in case your law was not well, you did not understood where you had studied previously, or you have forgotten law, you want to study. So I have both the versions. English version also, people from South India, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kerala, Karnataka, I mean Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, all those people who understand only English. We have English version also, and I have Hindi English also, like for the rest of India, So you can buy both the lectures. For that, you have to go to my website, that is www.letslearnindia.in. www.letslearnindia.in. You can see on the screen www.letslearnindia.in. Okay. So you click on these 3 arrows on the left side. Go to CA Inter. When you go to CA Inter, you'll have CA Inter Audit regular batch. It is a live batch which is starting on 15th December. This is Hindi English. CA Inter Audit regular batch, it is recorded, it is 100% English. This is already recorded. CA Inter Law regular batch, this is Hindi English live. This is almost about to get over, we have almost completed the recording. And this is Inter Law English batch. So live wala point is Hindi English and recorded batch is English batch. Both are recorded. Live batch law is going on, it will get over I think in 1 week. Audit I am starting from 15th December. Now when I go to, let us assume I go to audit batch, okay, this is Hindi English. Babu, yeah. So here you can select the course that you want. You want Google Drive with 9 months validity with 1.5 U. This is the price. Google Drive with 6 months validity with 1.5 U. This is the price. Google Drive with mode with unlimited validity and 1.8 view. This is the price. And in case if you wish to attend live batch, that 4th option is not visible here. Live batch with unlimited views. This is the price. This is a live batch for audit. Law we have almost completed the batch. Okay, law ka live will not be there. So whatever is your comfort, you want to watch Hindi English batch, you want to watch English batch, you can take. You will get 2 books, one main book and one question book. Sorry, one main book and one MCQ book. One main book and MCQ book. In the main book only, after the chapter gets over, I have added all the questions. Like module ka questions plus the past paper ka questions. So if you see this. Babu, yeah. So ICI exam questions. So all these are added in the book. This is the book you will get it. Plus the entire law ka book is in question answer format. Explain private placement, explain conditions for underwriting commission. It is in question answer format. So this book you will get for law, and almost on similar lines audit you will be getting. So one main book, color book it is, and one question book. I will show you audit ka book also. So audit book is like this. It's a handwritten font like a notebook. This is audit book. So you'll get like this book. In case if you wish to buy book, You can also visit the website, go to the book section, order the book. Right now when I'm recording the book, when I'm recording the video, law book is available, that's main book, and MC book you can buy separately, you can buy both the books. Audit book is in preparation mode. I think it will take more 10-20 days. I think by last week of December the book will be out. You can check the website www.letslearnindia.in. In case of any questions, any queries, you can call 844-844-8919. The counselor madam will help you, will assist you. Okay, I hope I am pretty much clear with the changes. 2 chapters deleted, 3 chapters added, foreign companies added, LLP is added, FEMA is added, rest everything remains same. If you have studied somewhere else, just do these 3 chapters and solve module thoroughly. If you are little bit confused with the concept, you want to watch the lectures, you can buy the lectures. Audit ka live batch is there, rest everything is recorded. Okay. In case you want to buy English batch, you can buy English batch. You can, if you want to watch Hindi English batch, you can watch Hindi English batch also. Plus, if you want to buy the books, you can also buy books separately. Law is available right now. Audit would be available post December. I mean, in last week of December, like this book will get for audit. Okay. Bye guys. Take care. Enjoy and aim for a rank or 70+, whichever is earlier. Bye guys. Keep smiling.